Hey there, and welcome to a course where I show the full process of creating a game-ready asset from scratch. From base modeling to high poly, to low poly, UVs, baking, texturing, and even rendering. The softwares which are used in this course are Maya, ZBrush, Rism, Photoshop, Substance Painter, and Marmoset Toolbag. The main softwares of this whole process are ZBrush for the high poly and Substance Painter for texturing. Otherwise, if you don't have Rism UV or use a different 3D package, for example Blender or 3ds Max, you'll still be able to follow along. We'll go through each process in real-time video with no speed-ups. We'll first start out with an introduction video if you are a Maya user. Then I'll show you how to set up reference images. After that, we will start modeling the base, which we will then import into ZBrush to edit and make the high poly. Show how to make a good low poly, cleanly and fastly make UV cuts, and efficiently pack everything. We will go over on how to bake in Substance Painter, and at the same time, I will cover how to create decals for your bake in Photoshop, which will affect other bake maps so that Painter's generators apply to them. This will save a lot of time for modeling. I'll show you how to create a good looking black polymer texture in Substance Painter that looks good for games. Then finally, you'll import your model into Marmoset Toolbag, set up the cameras, lights, cover some render settings to get a cool final image with practically no Photoshop editing. I hope all of this has made you really excited. If you'd like to check out the course, you can find in the Gumroad link in the description if you are watching this on YouTube. But if you are on ArtStation, it should be right to the right. With all of that said, hope you guys enjoy. Have a great day.